Hmm.
Today we will do exercise 1.4. Before starting the exercise, I just recap what we have learned about division of integers. First thing, you remember when I divide a negative integer by a positive integer, or vice versa, if I divide a positive integer by a negative integer, in both the cases a product will have negative sign. If I divide a positive integer by a positive integer, or a negative integer by a negative integer, means both signs same. Okay, here different, here same, then product will have a positive sign. Okay, one thing that we have learned, you know already that when I divide a number by 1, any number, any integer I divide by 1, that the result will be the integer. Okay, if 0 divided by something, you will get 0. If I divide a number by 0, which is not possible or it is not defined. Okay, now we will start the exercise. First question is evaluate the each of the following. Okay, some division of integers are given, you have to find this result. First one, minus 30 divided by 10. Okay, so that one is negative and one is positive, so result will be negative. Okay, and next is you have to divide as you divide whole numbers. 30 divided by 10 is 3. Okay, take another example. Minus 36 divided by minus 9. Both sign are same, so answer will have positive sign. So 36 divided by 9, it is 4. Okay. Next, question number G. Minus 31 divided by, under bracket, minus 30 plus minus 1. If brackets are given, first you have to solve the part that is under bracket. So minus 31, that is minus 30, this is plus minus minus. So minus 31 divided by minus 30 minus 1, minus 31. So both sign same, so answer will have positive sign, and 31 divided by 31 is 1. Okay. Next, question number 2. Verify that A divided by B plus C not equals to A divided by B plus A divided by C. I have told you earlier also, whenever you have to verify, you have to solve left hand side and right hand side separately. So question number 2A. Some value of A, B, C are given. Here A equals to 12, B equals to minus 4 and C equals to 2. So left hand side equals to, in place of, this is your left hand side. Now in place of A you will write 12. 12 divided by B, in it is minus 4 plus 2. Now 12 divided by minus 4 plus 2 is minus 2. So 12 divided by minus 2 is minus 6. Now right hand side will be a divided by b plus a divided by c. So a divided by b is 12 divided by minus 4 plus 12 divided by 2. Now 12 divided by minus 4, one is plus, one is minus. So your answer will have minus sign. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So answer is minus 3. Plus 12 divided by 6 is 12 divided by 2 is 6. So minus 3 plus 6 is, your answer is plus 3. So you can see that left hand side not equals to right hand side. So that means a divided by b plus c not equals to a divided by b plus a divided by c. This is verified. This way we will do question number 2b also. Next is fill in the blanks. Next is fill in the blanks. Again some divisional facts are given. You have to fill those blanks. Question number 3a. So 369 divided by equals to 369. So whenever I am dividing a number and you are getting the same result, that means that your divisor should be 1. Okay. Another one, minus 75 divided by a blank, that is minus 1. Your product or result is having minus sign. So one minus sign is already there. So it should be plus, and by which if you have to divide 75 by a number that you will get 1, should be, the divisor should be 75. Okay. Next is question number E, that is a blank divided by 1 equals to minus 87. Here dividend is missing and you are dividing it by 1. If you remember, whenever we divide a number by 1, you will get the same number. That means it should be your divisor. Okay. Same way we complete all others. Thank you.